This morning, I was sneezing like crazy. My allergies are really acting up, I guess, because of the spring weather. Spring allergies, yeah. But it was so bad that I decided to record it, because I'm a dork. So here is a little bit of my day. Oh, that little boy in the background. Okay. So good. Yep. But I went to the doctor's and I got some Zyrtec and my allergies are all gone. I really wanted to get some Claritin. I told my Mom, we need to get some Claritin so I can be Claritin free from my spring allergies or whatever. But no, I guess these Zyrtecs work and my nose still is on fire, but at least I'm not sneezing like crazy. So yep,